Welcome back to TyeTye&Co XOX. It is currently March, which is National Women's History Month, and I am channeling my inner Eartha Kitt. Grrr. She was the second woman to ever play Catwoman in the 1960s series. Now for today, our craft is going to be these wine glasses that are covered in leopard print. So jump into this craft with me and let's see how we make these. So for this project, it is a 3-step process. First, we will go in with our gold, then black around the edges, and then to follow with gold. So the first thing that you will need for this project is a glass. And of course, you know I love the Dollar Tree, so that's where I went. You can either do stemless or you can do one with a stem, but I chose stemless, and this is from the Dollar Tree. It has a black tint on it. And you will also need gold paint. And as always, I will put all of the descriptions of what I'm using in the comments below. And then you will need a medium small size brush to put the dots on. So I will show you how we do that. So just a little tip when you're doing your gold dots. Make sure that you make big ones, small ones, and put them at various different places so it looks a little bit more like a leopard's coat. So our next step is to add the black around our gold dots. And to do that, we are going to use a precision brush, which I will show you a little bit closer, and some black acrylic gloss paint. And we'll get started doing that. For our last step, we are going to be adding the gold glitter around our black on our glasses. And what you will need for that is some superior coverage glitter finish acrylic, and then we will be using our precision brush again. So let's jump into that. After you let that glitter dry, you are all done with this beautiful leopard project. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to TyeTye&Co XOX. See you next time.